Are you looking for a job role as a business analyst? Great! We have some critical aspects of the role covered for you. In this video, I'll share the importance of developing the right skill set that'll help you go a long way. Now, before we begin, let me tell you, a business analyst implements technology solutions in a cost-effective manner by understanding customer needs and implementing a well-articulated solution-oriented strategy to find out solutions that best fit customer interests. So, do you think all this is possible only if you are well-versed with the technical details of the process? Well, I don't think so. The role of a business analyst requires exceptional soft skills that cannot just be acquired through training sessions, rather through real-time expertise to inspect and adapt instantaneously. So, let's dive deep into the quintessential soft skills that are unparalleled in the corporate world. The first critical skill is spoken communication. The fundamental skill that you should be excellent is communication skill. The role of a business analyst demands you to interact with people from diverse linguistic backgrounds. But if you know how to convey your ideas effectively, half of the battle is won. Not only to communicate with the customers, but also to transform the conversation into meaningful content and share it with the designers who will prepare the actual solution. A word to the wise: do not compromise on your communication skills at any cost. The second critical skill is written communication. If you think, why are we discussing written communication skills separately? Here's the thing: no matter how proficient you are, you will be required to showcase to customers, developers, and stakeholders. The role requires you to write business requirement documents, functional specification documents, and many more artifacts to present your inferences with absolute accuracy. So, if you are serious about your dream job, you can't dodge this skill. The next critical skill is active listening. You must have heard that active listening is a passive skill. But, do you know the impact of this skill in your business analyst role? You must listen to every micro detail coming from a stakeholder, your customers, and need not mention the solution developers. Before jumping to conclusions, you need to analyze the situation from every perspective and read between the lines. Not all details will be spoon-fed to you, so keep your ears open to grab every piece of information. I hope you know, a missing piece can cost you a fortune. The fourth critical skill is facilitation and moderation. Are you good at switching roles? Because being a business analyst requires you to play the facilitator and moderator at the same time. Everything beginning from finalizing the agenda to ensure engagement and guide the shared discussion. Everything has to happen under your nose. So, if you are up for taking up challenging tasks, you'll love exercising this. The fifth critical skill is analytical thinking. A comprehensive conversion of abstract ideas from the stakeholders to solution designers is a vital part of the business analysis process. Starting from data analysis to user input surveys that satisfy business needs is another aspect of performing the role of a business analyst. To meet customer requirements, analytical thinking plays a very important role in structuring the process of any business. The next one is questioning skills. To get elaborate requirements from stakeholders is not a cakewalk, and to ensure you have abundant answers to carry out the process seamlessly, you need to probe the right questions. It can be done by conducting workshops, brainstorming sessions, and monitoring every step of the process. You will find answers by eliciting appropriate questions at the right time. On this note, you are prepared to work on your soft skills. See you with another interesting topic soon. If you want me to speak on a particular topic, please write to me and I will do it for you. Also, I've published a detailed article on this topic. You can read it on mentorits.com. Link to the same is mentioned below.